Welcome aboard this Airbus A220-300. As we're preparing for departure, please use the overhead lockers for stowing your hand baggage. We are here to help you. Thank you. We wish you a pleasant flight with airBaltic.
First we will taxi to the de-icing platform to remove some ice from the wings. And that should be done in 2 or 3 minutes. And then we are ready for departure. Flight time is estimated to be 1 hour and 20 minutes. The weather en route is looking good. However, we do encourage you to remain seated with your seatbelt fastened at all times in case of any unexpected turbulence. That's all for now, and shortly before arrival in Berlin, I will come back to you with the latest weather update. Enjoy your flight. Thank you.
Of that plane, you know, that one that is always there by the runway.
No idea, maybe it's for training, I don't know.
Yeah, because it's been there always, so like standing there.
Maybe for training. No
okay, yeah, because it's been there for at least a few years. There's again the coast plane that I shown you many times, and I was just asking the guy next to me that if he knows what is the reason for that plane to stand there by the runway. I was thinking that maybe it's for training, but he doesn't also know that. He's actually also going to ITB Berlin, so it was a great coincidence to be way to the biggest travel fair in whole Europe and whole world actually. So that's the reason why I'm now going to Berlin. I'll show you more when I'm there, or in the next video. waiting for the departure. It's about 7 a.m. so there's quite a lot of traffic. And the flight time between Riga and Berlin is about 2.5 hours. Okay, they're gonna do some de-icing before we are ready to go. Let's go. Now we should be ready to go. And we have to de-icing liquid on the window so I can't see much, but it's gonna be okay when we start moving and the liquid will be blown off. Try to find your sunspot. So, okay, and that's a bit better.
bus until the emergency button has been switched off. Remember to take all your personal belongings and please take care of them in the overhead lockers. On behalf of airBaltic, thank you for choosing to fly with us. It's been our pleasure having you on board, and we hope to welcome you on our flights again. Thank you. Have a nice day.
It's only +3 degrees in Berlin, but it's nice and sunny. As it's only on 8 a.m., it will be warmer during today. Oh, there's also a Finnair lane and in the corner. Can you see it? I mean, in case you didn't know, I'm Finn. To the airport, I have to recharge my phone a bit because I don't have a power bank with me. And then I'll have to check the map where I'm heading to. I have uploaded I took the Deutsche Bahn app, and then I took a monthly ticket for the trains and all the public transportation. I can explain about that more. It's going to be 63 euros per month, and you can travel I go everywhere in Germany. But I will tell about that later. But I have tested it myself. I just bought the ticket and uploaded it to So here we are in Berlin. Welcome. Och så det säger välkommen. Be the German wings before, but they stopped operating years ago, and now it's Eurowings. EasyJet, you probably know. Okay, let's go to the city. And I seem to be going right towards Ausgang. It means exit. I really need to find a place to charge my phone first. I hope there's one somewhere. Otherwise I cannot take a train to the city because my train ticket is on my phone, and I'm spending the last. Not right here now. Let's check if they have some. Yeah, there's by the gate. I guess there's one. I'm gonna go there. Because let's see those. I think it's so pretty nice. Let's go see them first. I saw there's some kind of a recharge station, but oh yeah, they also have here. This is nicer. This better. I like this. Cheers. Nice design, and then look at that. That's beautiful. I really like it. To be honest, I hated it, the old Berlin BER Airport, but now this Brandenburg has been operating quite a while already, and it's a pretty nice one. What do you think? Okay, let's try again. So the Kleins 446 platform, it says Deutsche Bahn and S, and we will take the S train to Alexanderplatz. Should be pretty easy to do. They have the ticket machines there, but I need a ticket because I already downloaded the website. So to S, Berlin City. Let's see, that's number 5 and 6 to Spandau. How do I know? What the heck is happening here? What's happening here?